What is up, guys? Today I will show you what this gives. Alright, so I'm not even getting all of it, so I can't give you the true amount the whole thing will give you. Plus your pets are all different, they will all give you different. But I will show you around the amount, and I will tell you it right now, it's around like 150 million, $150 million. So, as you can see, I have been farming this chest with all these people, and guys, I would recommend two things to you. You should buy this, the 7 pets equipped, and the 100 max pets. That's only 300, 400 something Robux. So, I would definitely get those. They are very, very overpowered. I do like 50,000 damage a second. With all these people, we do like 100,000 damage a second. Well, actually, I do it in like 2 seconds. We do this in like 2 seconds. So pretty much all these people double mine. So, this is going to be a super fun video, and at the end I'll show you how to like create a t-shirt or something. Maybe I'll even show you a private server. But right now, speaking of private server, and never ever play my game called Lumber Mod. It's a piece of trash, but it's alright. But you could play Super Nuke map. I don't know why it's called Lumber Tycoon. Oh yeah, because it's Lumber Tycoon and it's ruined. Don't play it. I'm sorry. But please do play my game, Fight the Zombies. This took me a long time to create. I've been working on it, and I do not have Builders Club, so it's not the best game. I'm sorry. But, yes. And today, I give a huge shout out. Phantom, come here. Phantom, come here. Don't be huge shout to the Phantom Slayer. I gave you a shout. I gave you a shout out. Shut the hell up. Hungry. Stop. Hungry. Stop. That's old. Cyber bully. That's called cyber bully. Love peas. I love peas. Sorry, yes. Sorry, YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. Okay, this did. Not this. Yeah. I'm gonna post it. Bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.